Hey everyone, Aaron here from Ultra RC Hobbies. So we have a brand new unboxing video. We got the brand spanking new four-wheel drive Bigfoot Brushless BL2S based on the new Stampede four-wheel drive chassis. Pretty jazzed up to finally see Traxxas release a four-wheel drive monster truck. We've seen Bigfoots in two-wheel drive for quite some time. So now they've finally done the Bigfoot four-wheel drive on a four-wheel drive chassis. So pretty darn cool. So this, like I said, is going to include the BL2S motor speed control system. This is going to include a radio, truck fully assembled, waterproof, but it is not going to include a battery or a charger. So something to think about if you did want to purchase this brand spanking new truck. This is going to be, I think, the Bigfoot 8. I'm 99% sure that that's what Traxxas was saying that the actual model is going to be. But let's open up the box and see what's all inside. Like I said, we're going to get a radio with this, which is the basic Traxxas TQ 2.4 gig transmitter. 4 AA's on the bottom to power that baby up. You're going to have a set button, steering trim, that's it. This model, you will not be able to put the TQI module in as well. So just prepare for that, just like all of the other BL2S systems that we've seen in the past. Next out of the box, we're gonna take out the essentially accessory bag. So this guy is, again, not gonna come with battery charger, so you won't see the USB charger. You're gonna get some preload clips, the foam block spacer for the battery. You're gonna get your basic toolkit, 1.5 to 2.5 mil hex hardware for your Allen keys, and then you're going to get a basic T-wrench, and that's going to take your 7 mil driver to take off your 4 mil wheel nuts. There is going to be an exploded view in here, and essentially a quick start guide, so nothing unusual by any means. But let's pull out the brand spanking new Bigfoot. Pretty excited for this one. Bum-ba-da-bum! So there's the new Bigfoot. So this is going to have the clipless body mount design. So let's take off this piece of plastic. Ooh, the one thing on the picture did not kind of show is how much metallic is in that blue. And that is a perfect, pretty much representation of Bigfoot blue. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but a very, very, like, I'm going to say light metallic flake in it, which really, really works well. The other thing you're going to notice is they do have these side ports for all your contingency sponsors and stuff like that to kind of make it look like a actual tube frame chassis dropping down to the link mounts. So this is clipless body mount design like we've seen before on the slashes and stuff like that. Not like what we've seen on the new Stampede though, because that has your latch in the back and the front clip going into the shock tower. This is 4 clips per corner and then essentially a full cage work style body. And then these side flaps are actually attached to the inner cage work. So a little bit different there. Bumpers also are going to attach to the shell as well. Kind of neat. I really like that body. That is a very, very nice body. Getting into the chassis. So first thing you'll notice right away is everything is blacked out. So you're getting the black chassis. You're going to get the black shocks as well. Usually these Ultra shocks are gray, but they are black on this model. You are getting the wheelie bar pre-installed as well. Talking about the shocks, you are going to get the Ultra shocks. So these are going to be a plastic body, plastic cap, 30-weight shock oil, pretty much what we've seen on every RTR from Traxxas for quite some time. So nothing too crazy there. This is, again, a four-wheel drive platform. So you're going to have the BL2S motor, which is a 3300 kV, a 2S capable BL2S ESC. So these ones you can run NIM or LiPo, doesn't really matter. Back to the electronics, we have a 2075 steering servo in there. That is going to be waterproof, plastic gears, 127 ounces, nothing really any different than what we're used to seeing anywhere else. And then a waterproof receiver box up front with that basic TQ receiver. Battery hold down, this will accept a long 7600, 5800 with that foam brick that does get included in the accessory pack and all of that good stuff. A new thing to this truck, however, is going to be the wheels. So these are a brand spanking new wheel just for this truck with that essentially like drive hub inside of it. These are going to be a short course wheel. So what I mean by that is a 2.2 outer bead, but it has a big 3-inch inner bead, so it does clear all your rear knuckles or all your steering knuckles, anything like that. So a little bit of a different wheel, same tire we're used to seeing on pretty much everything else. And then this does come with the extra heavy duty kit. So you are getting the beefed up steering knuckles. caster blocks, big max size drive shafts. So these are the same diameter as the normal max, just obviously a lot shorter since the arm is shorter. You're also getting the new rear hub carrier that does have both sides of the knuckle pretty much on the inside, covering the A-arm. So now you are just getting more engagement on the pin, a little bit more of a strength factor as well. And then you're also getting the shock towers with the EHD as well. New clipless body mount design, obviously, with the offset heavily for the nose of the Bigfoot and the little bit of a different rear tower. But everything's kind of very similar to what we're used to seeing on a lot of the other models. So a little bit different arm too. It does have that inner sway bar pickup, just like what we're used to seeing now on the new Jado four-wheel drive. And you can tell how shiny the arms are to how much nylon the plastic has to keep them flexible and be that cold weather plastics, which is perfect for Canada because today it's minus 32 with the wind chill and we got 5 inches of snow last night. So perfect for all weather running and having a whole heck of a lot of fun there. So pretty standard, I guess, on some senses, and a lot of little changes for this new Traxxas four-wheel drive Bigfoot. So thank you everyone so much for tuning in and watching. We really do appreciate it. Remember, the holiday season is right around the corner. It's about a week till Christmas as of yesterday. So big day is right around the corner. We still have some Traxxas holiday saving deals and some other stuff going on here in store. So give us a phone call or an email or a Facebook message and we can fill you in on all those deals. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications to get a notification when we post a new video. It really does help our channel out. And hopefully everyone has a good one. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.